In the modern era, streaming platforms and television shows are two of the most popular forms of entertainment. Both have their advantages and disadvantages and their own unique appeals, making them great choices for those looking to be entertained. The war between streaming platforms and television shows has been raging for years, and it shows no signs of stopping. When it comes to streaming platforms, there are many advantages. For one, they offer a wide variety of content for viewers to choose from. Not only do streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video offer movies and TV shows, but they also feature a wide variety of original content that can't be found anywhere else. This means that viewers have access to films and TV shows that are not available on traditional television networks. Additionally, streaming services offer viewers the ability to watch content on their own time, allowing them to watch movies and TV shows at their own convenience. Another advantage of streaming platforms is that they are often cheaper than traditional cable or satellite services. This is especially true for those who are looking to save money on their monthly entertainment bills. Streaming services often offer subscription plans that are much more affordable than traditional television services, making them a great option for those looking to save money. In addition, streaming services offer free trials, which allow viewers to test out the service before committing to a subscription. However, streaming platforms also have some drawbacks. For one, the quality of the content can sometimes be lacking. While streaming services offer a wide variety of titles, they do not always have the same quality as traditional television networks. Additionally, streaming services are often subject to buffering, which can be a major annoyance for viewers. Finally, streaming services are often limited in terms of the number of devices that can access the content at one time, which can be a major inconvenience for those who want to watch content with friends and family. When it comes to television shows, there are also several advantages. For one, television shows are often of higher quality than streaming services. This is because TV networks often invest in their content, ensuring that the videos they produce are of the highest standards. Additionally, television shows are more consistent than streaming services. TV networks have set schedules for their shows, allowing viewers to know when to expect new episodes. This makes it much easier to keep up with a show than it is with streaming services, which can be unpredictable. However, television shows also have some drawbacks. For one, they can be expensive. Traditional television services often require monthly subscription fees, which can add up over time. Additionally, television shows are often limited in terms of content. Many networks only offer their own content, meaning that viewers may not get access to films and TV shows that are available on streaming services. Finally, television shows are often subject to regional restrictions, meaning that viewers in certain countries may not be able to access certain shows. In the end, streaming platforms and television shows both have their advantages and drawbacks. Streaming services offer viewers access to a wide variety of content at an affordable price, but the quality of the content can be lacking. On the other hand, television shows are often of higher quality, but they can be expensive and limited in terms of content. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and what type of entertainment one is looking for.